Okay, last class we stopped here. Earlier we was using this formula. Ingat yang ini ya. Right. Now we are going to two sample. Okay, kalau nak salin yang formula ni. Formula ini saja. Salin formula ini dulu. Baik. Now we are going to example 1 here for two sample size. Look at this example here. Suppose that the starting salary of MBA Wilfred Laurier WLU are normally distributed with mean and standard deviation. WLU normally distributed with mean. Mean is 60,000 and standard deviation is 14. this will be your mean 1. This is your standard deviation 1. And sample size is 50. This is N1. The starting salaries of MBA University Western Ontario. The same idea. Mean is 60,000. Standard deviation is 18,300. Sample is 60. The notation would be mean 2. Copy this one first. All right, so we have from the salaries from the salary of staff from WLU and the salary of staff from UWO. Kita nak tengok apa dekat sini? What is the probability that the sample mean starting salary WLU? What is the probability? Starting salary of WLU. Okay, this is the sample salary of WLU. Yang ini X bar 1 ni exceed, melebihi. Okay, ada dua universiti. Ada dua universiti. Daripada dua-dua universiti ni kita pilih, we select 50 sample and 60 sample here. Okay, kita pilih 50 orang daripada WLU, 60 people from UWO. And we know that the population mean for WLU is 62,000. Okay, purata. And the standard deviation is 1. And somewhere told UWO. With this information, we are going to compute the probability that yang WLU ni melebihi UWO. Ni dah salin Okay. We're going for this one. First of all, bring everything to your left hand side. Now this step, the next step, I would like to do for the first question. Okay, this question. Lepas ni you nak buat pun tak apa, you tak nak buat pun tak apa. So what is the formula here actually? The Z. What is Z here? Can you see Z? This one, Z is this part I just do once. Later you can simplify. Yang ini daripada sini Kalau if I want to change this to Z, I need to write like this. if I see what I did, I minus this one and divide by this one. Salin dulu, tak apa salin dulu. So what I did here is dekat sini ya. At this place saya minus yang ini, boleh faham? Okay, and then the whole thing I divide by this one. Whatever I did on the left hand side, I need to do on the right hand side. Sini ada kosong, betul tak? Kosong. Apa saya buat dekat sini? Tolak ini kan? Tolak juga dekat sini. Masih ingat kalau ada persamaan, you tambah 3, sini pun you tambah 3 kan? Sama dekat sini. Do the same thing here. Okay, do the same thing. Right. So once you write this, what is this actually? Kenapa tiba-tiba pink? What is this? What is this? This is Z. So right here is Z. And then the rest. Just now, what is our mean one? Mean one is 62,000. Minus mean 2 is 60,000. Divide by standard deviation. 1 is 14,500. We have to square it. Divide by 50. And then 18,000, square it, 60. Okay, and then you put a bracket here. Never mind, you letak bracket kecil dekat sini, bracket besar dekat sini, no problem for me. Doesn't matter. Hope you guys understand. So now, okay, salin dulu. Now, okay, semua dah salin. Now, if you want to skip this step, kalau you dah skip this step dari sini ke sini, this is what I told you. Saya nak tulis ni untuk latihan ni saja. You nak skip ke sini boleh terus. Okay, I leave it to you. Now after this, what you have to do is that press this in the calculator. Let me know what you get. Get me 2 decimal place. Yang ini press in the calculator. Let me know what you get. You should get negative 0.64. Okay. Now, after this, the normal process. Dah is that kan? Dah is that. Gunakan table ni, table yang ini. Cari saja nilai dia. You have to find this one. Cuba dapatkan. By this time you should be able to do this. Sebab test dah dekat kan. You should be able to read the table. Kita dah buat banyak latihan ni yang untuk normal ni. Ini dalam negatif. You kena tukar kepada positif. 0.6, 0.64, 0.6. 0.6 is here. Zero point six, 0.64 here. So that would give you, this is 0.2611. So your answer should be 1 minus 0.2611. That would give you take a A4 paper, write your name, metric number, date, section. question. Ni dah salin settle we are going for the last one. Ya settle. The major citrus tree of type A have a mean height, mean standard deviation sample size, mean height is 14.8, standard deviation is 1.2, and 2 sample size 12 sorry. This is A. You fill up for B now before I fill up. You try to fill up for B. For B, you should get 12.9. What else? 1.5 and then 15, isn't it? You get this one? Okay. Find the probability that the mean type of A is 2 feet more than mean type of B. Mean type of A, yang mana lebih, A ke B? A. Jadi A lebih besar daripada B, so A tolak B more 2. That's how we think. Okay, find out. Pastikan yang mana lebih besar. Yang dekat sini A, so mestilah A tolak B. Dia 2 feet more than or less than or at least, semua tu yang ini. So nombor berapa banyak dia nombor tu, dia cakap dekat sini 2 kan, letak dekat sini 2. So probability A minus B greater than 2. Okay, here I'm going to skip the step. You know that this step, this one saya tak nak tulis yang ini besar-besar ni. I'm going to go to from here straight away to here. So how to do this? Tulis terus kat sini. Yang A minus B itu jadi Z. Lepas tu 2 minus, you tulis 2 minus, you tulis yang ini kat sini. Apa kita punya mean satu? 14.8 minus 12.9 divide by square root 1.2 square over 12, 1.5 square over 15. Straight away do this. Now you guys proceed, calculate, use the table, let me know what is the answer. Dapat nombor apa dekat sini? Did you get 0.19? Okay. So this is very easy. Ini sangat senang sebab dia memang dia beri positive and then the arrow goes this side. Ini terus boleh dapat daripada table 0.1 0.1 di sini and then go all the way 9. This one is it, you get 0.4247. Okay, good. So that's all about chapter 4. Chapter 4 is a very short chapter. Tetapi what we do is we use this idea, chapter 4 idea, to learn chapter 5. That's the idea. So chapter 5 is quite interesting. That one next week we will go through. But today, once finish this, I need to teach you copy first. So we are, for the time being, we are using Z table. We call this as Z table. Okay, table ni akan diedarkan. We will provide this when you do final exam in your thing. Dia ada buku biru. Jangan bagi ni, muka surat pun sama lebih kurang. You will use 2 more table. So we will going to learn that. We're going to learn that here. This one copied already, all? Okay, dah salin Okay, now. So we use Z table, now no more Z table. I'm going to teach you T table. T. Okay, we're going to learn this in upcoming chapters. We're going to use this. So how to read this T table? Go here. Okay. We call this as ini hanya untuk read the table. Exercise later in the upcoming thing. We call this one as level of significance. This one is number of degree of freedom. Okay, how to read this one? T 0.05 and 9. Okay, what is the level of significance? 0.05 is here. 9 degree of freedom is here. So the number is 1.833. Senang Senang 0.01 0.001 is here. 20 is here. What is the point? Boleh tak you cuba lagi dua ni? Cuba. Saya dah share T table dalam ni dalam WhatsApp. Cuba tengok, cuba bagi saya jawapan untuk ni. Dua saja. Yang ini apa? 0.1 is here. 15 is here. 1.341. 0.025 is here. 14 is here. 2.145. Okay, this is very clear, very easy. Alright, next, F distribution. Sama juga, yang ini adalah this one got level of significance and degree of freedom too. So we are going for a different table now. F table ada dua, bukan dua, sambungan, 2 page. Okay, so here, if you look at this one, here we are looking into degree of freedom first. F1 is here. F1 is here. F2 is here. This is F1. This is F2. Boleh faham? F1. Identify what is your V1 and V2, not F. Sorry. V1 and V2. Dekat mana? V1 and V2 tu dekat mana? Okay, dekat sini V1 adalah 5, V2 is 7. 5 and 7. Boleh faham? 5 and 7. Your answer will be any one of these 4 number. Now, okay? Your answer will be any one of the 4 number. So, the first number here represent, you boleh tengok dekat sini, first number represent for significant level of 0.05. Yang ini 0.025. Yang ni 0.01, 0. Ada 4 nombor kan tadi. Paling atas adalah untuk yang 0.05. Kita punya apa? 0.05. So kita ambil yang paling atas. Jawapan dia apa? Okey. Alright. Boleh faham? Now, let us do number 2 here. Number 2. 8 and 22. So, 8 is, ni saya padam 8, this one padam. 8 is somewhere here. And 22. Yang page pertama ni ada 22 tak? Tak ada. So, you have to go for the next one. Here, sambung. So 8, 22. Your answer will be any one of the 4 number. This is 0.025. 0.025 adalah yang mana? Second ke third ke? Second. So ambil yang second. That is 2.84. Cari yang lagi C and D from the table I gave you. Cuba. Number C, 24 and 18. 24, 18. These 4 number. Ini 0.01. 0.01 adalah ketiga. That would be 3.00. There's a typo here dekat sini sebab dia punya significant level is 0.05, 0.25, 0.01, 0.001, isn't it? Saya letak sini 0.1 potong tu letak 0.001. Okay, itu salah. 7 and 3. 7 and 3 dekat mana? Ni mesti first page. 7 and 3. 0.001 is the last number. That would be. Okay. Boleh faham? Right. We will use this for the last chapter, and the T distribution will use from chapter 5 onwards. Chapter yang Z table kadang-kadang je. Okay. Alright, that's all for today. Next week we will start from chapter 5. You guys ada cuti Coming Fridays public holidays So adalah boleh revise untuk you punya test. Okay. Alright, that's all. Thank you.